Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you forgot the passcode, or either to your Google account, or you are setting up a phone, you're faced with this like Google FRP lock, or if you just forgot your PIN or passcode just to unlock your phone screen. Well, this is a very common issue, especially with smartphone nowadays, and especially if you're elderly parents or have kids messing around with your phone and they actually set like certain password or PIN, and somehow you forgot about it, or it's like probably an old phone and you forgot about your old passcode or PIN, and you want to get rid or bypass that and get into your phone itself. All right, what are the things that you guys can do? So there's a lot of ways that you guys can do, like force resetting the phone itself. All right, but what if that doesn't even work at all? Well, there's another way that I personally use it. All right, and I have found that it's really useful, especially for me, because I have one old phone that I couldn't bypass any of the lock screen. All right, and I have one phone with the FRP lock because I bought it from the second-hand market, and all these kind of issues that happened to me before. And I always go to this software right here. So this is the PassFab Android Unlock, and this thing has been really useful and has been helpful for me throughout, okay, all the time, because whenever I face in any of this issue, all right, this is the one that helped me bypass them. All right, so the phone that I bought from the second-hand market, they have a FRP lock. All right, I also use this software to remove that, and after that I can use the phone per normal. And I have one of my old Android phone that I forgot the pin to it because it was not a pin, it was like a puzzle. All right, and I forgot the pattern actually, and I have to use this software to help me bypass that so that I can actually view the files that is inside the phone itself. So this has been really helpful and has been incredibly reliable, because both phones I've been using right now without any issues at all. All right, no issue. I can sign my own Google account. I can use my view all the photos I want on my old phones. I can use my old phone as a spare phone. Everything works perfectly fine. So today I'm going to show you guys this software itself, just so that you guys have any of these issues in the future, or you're probably currently facing one right now. All right, that's why you're watching this video. Well, you don't have to worry about that, because after today's video, you can start unlocking your phone in less than 10 minutes time. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself first. Let's go. Alright, as you guys can see on the top right over here of me, it is the PassFab Android Unlock, and they have two different ways that you guys can use. One is the removing of screen lock, and the other one is removing of Google lock, which later I'm going to demonstrate to you, alright, the removing of Google FRP lock. But for now, I'm just going to show you the removing of screen lock itself. So they have two different ways that you guys can do depending on what your usage needed for. So if you forgot your PIN, your pattern, or your password, alright, or your fingerprint doesn't work on your phone and you want to bypass that, then you choose remove screen lock. But if you are faced with you buy a second-hand phone and you have issues with the FRP lock, you were signing previously with a previous account, then you guys can choose the Google lock. Alright, both are really awesome. They have supported a wide range of devices, so you don't have to worry about which devices doesn't work. Alright, if the devices don't show up here, you can choose other device, and you guys select your device brand and device name and model, and after that you guys can choose to remove now. Alright, same goes with the screen lock itself. They have a wide range of devices that is supported, basically every brand of devices right over here. Alright, but today we are just focusing on Samsung. So if you have forgotten fingerprint, passcode, or PIN number, or your pattern, alright, you guys can choose between unlocking solution. They have one is clear device data, because the newer models requires a clearing of device data. And after that, you guys can choose your unlocking solution. And after that, you just need to click on start and just follow the on-screen instruction. Alright, same goes with the FRP lock itself. Select your device, and just choose Samsung, and you just select which kind of Samsung model. If you're specific a USA model, Android version, alright, or if you're not sure, just click on universal removal. Alright, after you're done, just click on remove now. So it's a very simple and straightforward process. So right now I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of it, removing Google FRP lock, and it is work on both either the screen lock or the FRP lock. So it's pretty much the same the way that it does the unlocking. So the demonstration also focuses on both of the same variant, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so but the demonstration will be focusing on the Google FRP lock itself, which I'm showing you guys the whole unlocking process itself, alright, which applies seamlessly, alright, to both removing a screen lock or even removing a Google lock itself. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the unlocking process itself. Let's go. So once I click on start, alright, it will just ask me to connect my phone to my computer, and once it's connected, it should auto detect and you will start removing the Google lock. Alright, at this time it will probably take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your phone model and how old your phone is. Alright, but you just need to sit back, relax, your phone should restart a few times, and after that, alright, you guys can sign with your own Google account. There's no more FRP lock or any pin lock at all. So yeah, this is the whole demonstration itself. Very straightforward, very easy. As you guys can see, after setting up, I'm inside my phone, no more locks, lock screen, no more FRP lock, everything is as usual. I can use my phone right now. So yeah, this is how easy it is just to get your phone unlocked in less than 5 to 10 minutes time with just a click of a single button. Alright, so you guys have seen from the whole demonstration itself, I don't even think that is a demonstration. It's just very straightforward. You just have to connect your affected phone to the computer, and the software will automatically detect your device and they will auto start the unlocking process. All you have to do is just to click on start and OK, and the rest is up to the software to do. Sit back, relax, get a cup of coffee. After it's done, well, you have a phone that is unlocked and ready to be used. So you guys can see from the whole process itself, you don't have to be really tech savvy. Anyone can do it at the comfort of their own home. And even, if you have elderly parents, they can even do it themselves if they want to do so. So, you don't have to worry about all these things. Very straightforward and very simple. And how easy it is for the whole unlocking process just by getting this software itself. So yeah, after you have seen this software and you want to get the software for yourself and start unlocking your phone, you guys can go ahead and check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now and get your phone unlocked immediately or instantly in about 10 to 15 minutes time, depending, like I say, on your phone model. And this works on both Windows and Mac OS as well, so you don't have to worry about if you're using a Mac. You guys can also download this software as well. It's really worth it comparing to going to the physical shop and those third-party shop that they claim to help you unlock as well, but they are also probably using this software as well. So why waste the hassle of going down all the way and coming back and pay extra money for that? All right. So yeah, we guys can do this at the comfort of your own home with just probably your desktop PC or your laptop or even your MacBook, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is a very simple, straightforward process you guys can do comfortably at your own home, reliably and safely, and doesn't break your phone, and you guys can use your phone straight afterwards, so after the whole unlocking thing itself. So once again, if you guys are interested in getting this and can't wait to unlock your phone right now, go ahead and check out the first link in the description down below and get this PassFab iPhone unlock right away. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out. I don't wanna cry.